we return to discuss some rules to be followed when using slings. Always make sure that the correct diameter sling is used. Protect slings at sharp corners with rubber padding. Use a suitably rated shackle when attaching more than one sling eye to the lift hook. When only a single sling is used, it should always be directly above the load's center of gravity. When using two slings, they must be positioned evenly on either side of the load's center of gravity. The angle created between slings must always be less than 90 degrees to avoid overstressing. Discuss with your course controller the points we have so far covered and ask for the next practical assignment.